Okay, sorry that video got cut off awkwardly. I had to go to a meeting, blah blah blah. All right, anyway, here I am. I've done a little more. I'm sorry, guys. I can never quit stop myself from doing a little more R, and not in front of people where it's really awkward. Okay, so what I did here, guys, was I put that AB line of the fit. Remember, the fit was the one with the more power play kills. So that line is the red line here, and the blue line here is the original model I did that didn't have that correction. So I don't know, the doing this is one better than the other, maybe. Oh, R. Oh, sugar plums. So R's back. Sorry, I paused it. I think I was talking about the appropriateness of these lines. The one thing that I'll say is that I really want the intercept to be 0. I want, if you have no points, for there to be no wins. Neither one of those have this. This intercept is like -0.5 on the uh, red line. And this one was negative as well. So I don't know. I mean, what's the difference here? Maybe one's better than the other. I will say normally the feeling is that more data gives you a better assessment. Um, the I should talk about what these things are, right? So we're trying to use the number of points to predict the number of wins that a team would have. Um, and why might penalties help that, having more or less penalties than the other team? Well, is that the thing we're missing here is the ties. And ties would earn points, whereas losses do not. And so maybe there's something to be said that the red line will be better overall than the blue line. I don't know, guys. This is the kind of thing that you should talk about in your paper, in your exposition. But you see here, I just did it with colors. COL equals red, COL equals blue. And, it might be fun to color your plotting points, but it's totally not necessary. Okay, so keep working hard. You guys can do this. Make sure you're putting lots of comments in your paper. I don't just want to see your R code. I know what I've done here is just my R code, but I want you typing on top of this. You telling me things. And remember, every line here, you can type something in. Any place here you can type in explanation. Hey, what am I trying to do? What does this show me? Tell me a story. Write me a report. We want to use our data to tell a story. So that's what we're hoping for here with our report. All right, keep working hard.